Okay guys, I'm here at Carter Lumber. The owner is nice enough to give us some frames of honey, help us out with our beehive that we're going to be putting in. So here, obviously I'm not suited up, so you just got to be hopefully cautious and take your time in getting these guys out of here. Try not to irritate them now too much. Let's lift your frame out of here. And this one's kind of cool. I don't know, it looks like there's been moth in there. I'm gonna do this one. Check out this one. Hopefully they don't get too mad at me here. Alright, this is a nice little one. Alright, I'm gonna walk this out of here. Check this out over here. So just kind of walk away from the hive. Hopefully these guys will not really like going this far from where they want to be. Kind of blow them off of there. Right, this other side. Alright, I think that's about it. Check this thing out here. Alright, well, not too crazy. So I go throw it in the back of my crazy car here. I need a truck. But put this in here, frame. I'm gonna grab one more over there. And we'll load up the frame there up at the school. So we'll be ready to roll. Alright, let me see if I can get one more over here in terms of frames without getting stung. So let me see here.